First of all, I want to be apologize you that video is coming so late because I was unable due to my busy schedules, my lectures, and all that things. So video is coming so late. But now I ensure you that I will upload the video with minimum intervals. So our today's video topic is overview of bridge engineering. As you know, bridge engineering is the branch of civil engineering and very important for the exams. So in today's video we will discuss about some basic outcomes of bridge engineering, such as what is the bridge engineering, what is the actual definition of bridge, and then how we classify the bridges, then some major components of bridges, and also as well as maintenance of bridges. So let's get started. So first of all, let us see what is the bridge engineering, but before that let's see what is the bridges. So the bridge is defined as a structure that carries a road or railway across a river, valley, road or railway. Now let us see bridge engineering. So bridge engineering is the discipline of civil engineering which deals with construction, development, design and maintenance of several types of bridges. Here are some legendary bridges that you might have ever seen in your life. Now, what is the importance of bridges? Here are some importance given of bridges, at which describes about how bridge plays important role in human civilization. Now we can classify the bridges on various bases, such as on the basis of their length, on the basis of their purposes, on the highest flood level, etc. So subsequently, let us consider each point. Firstly, we can classify the bridges on the basis of materials which are used for the construction of bridges, such as bridges which are constructed by using timber known as timber bridges, while the bridges which are constructed by stone masonries are known as masonry bridges. Also as well as steel bridges, pressed concrete bridges and RCC girder bridge. Now as per the alignment of bridges, we can classify them as straight alignment bridge, skew bridge, through bridge and semi-through bridge. We can also classify the bridges on the basis of their application, such as aqueduct, viaduct, grade separator and highway bridge. Also they have contain railway bridge, foot bridge and pipe bridge. Then on the basis of their superstructure is known as a structure which is located above the substructure. We can consider this point after that. Now we can classify them according to their substructure as slab bridge, girder bridge, truss bridge and arc bridge. HFL is one of the point from which we classify the bridges. HFL is known as highest fluid level ever recorded. So they can be classified as submersible bridge, causeway and other one is non-submersible bridge. Here submersible bridges are the bridges which allows the water to pass over it, and non-submersible bridges can't allow. On the basis of their type of span, we can classify the bridges as simply supported bridges, continuous bridges, cantilever bridges and continuous cantilever bridges. According to their span length, we classify them culvert which has span up to 8 meter, while if the span of bridge is more than 8 meter, then it should be a minor bridge. Then major bridge which has span up to 30 to 120 meter, and long span bridge having span above 120 meter. According to their navigation, we can classify them as a swing bridge, bascule bridge, traverser bridge and lift bridge. Sometimes bridges are constructed for temporary uses, and hence we can, on the basis of their life, we classify them as temporary bridges and permanent bridges. Here you can see a timber bridge is given. Then timber bridge is temporary bridge because, as you know, timber has some limited life. Now we can classify the bridges as per their loading, such as class A bridge, class A bridge and class B bridge. There are three main components of bridges which we consider while constructing the bridges, such as substructure, superstructure and foundation. Substructure constructions mainly include piers, abutments, wing walls and returns. Substructure, before understanding their components, we must need to study about the two main concepts of bridges, such as effective span and clear span. The effective span is the span. It means the distance between two. Effective span is defined as center to center distance between two supports, while clear span is the distance between two supports. Now let's see about the components of substructure, such as pier. So the pier is a vertical structure used to support deck or the bearings provided for load transmission to underground soil. So here are some function of pier. that describes about how pier are important in bridge engineering. Before constructing the pier, we must needs to understand their requirements. So here are some major requirements given. The main requirement of the bridge pier, it should be strong and having proper strength. Other one is they must have economical. Later than abutments. Abutments are vertical structures used to retain the earth behind the structure. Here are some function of abutments given. Third component of substructure is wing walls. The wing walls are the walls which are provided on either side of bridges, which mainly gives proper support to bridge. A member of superstructures are girders, cables, arcs, handrails, parapet walls and decks. First is beams and girders, then arcs and cables, after then parapet wall, and then decks. Also then bearings. So bearing is the component of superstructure which lies between the superstructure and the substructure components of the bridges. Here are some function of bridge bearing given. Now, along with the construction of bridges, the maintenance of bridges is also important. So what is the maintenance of bridges? It is the procedure through which we can keep the bridge up to date in suitable conditions and in serviceable condition. For the construction of bridge, for the maintenance of bridges, we must needs to inspect the bridges on proper time basis. In inspection, we consider some facts. In inspection, we consider some things related to bridges, such as there is any cracks lies in bridges. After then, bridges got affected by weathering effects and all that things. If some problems should be find out, then we can repair them by following methods such as concrete jacketing, steel plate bonding and FRP strengthening. Here are some other types of repairs are also given. So thanks for watching this video. If you want another video on bridge engineering and also want that I make a video on types of piers and abutments, then you should comment me, subscribe my channel and also share with your friends. Thanks for watching this video.